KF-21 Boramae fighter jets made in Indonesia and South Korea tested in July 2022. What date? Engineers are now speeding up assembly of the Indonesian and South Korean KF-21 Boramae to be better prepared for their maiden flights. The Indonesian and South Korean KF-21 Boramae fighter jet projects must go through a number of ground trials before flying for the first time. Then the GE-414 KF-21 Boramae Indonesia and South Korea engines were also tested for their performance. The Indonesian and South Korean Boramae KF-21 engines are the same engines used by the United States F-35. The KF-21 Boramae 001 prototype performs a ground test before its maiden flight on the 22nd of July 2022. One plane sported a black fin with a yellow stripe with an image of the plane on the end, and a label that read KF-21004. The first test flight of the KF-21 prototype will run at high speed on the runway. The first flight of the KF-21 Boramae, on July 22, 2022, the South Korean Air Force is also rumored to be boarding the KF-21 Boramae fighter jet during its maiden flight. 4 pilots of the Korean KF-21 Boramae fighter prototype are said to have been selected and are preparing for their first flight. Brief history. The KF-21 was built at the Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) production facility in Sachin City. The project started in 2015 and requires an investment of 8.8 trillion Korean won, or the equivalent of $7 billion United States dollars. Indonesia alone will bear 20% of the total project costs. The KF-21 Boramae has a maximum payload capacity of 7,700 kilograms and will have 10 pods to mount air-to-air missiles and other weapons. This aircraft is capable of flying at a speed of 2,200 km per hour with a flying range of up to 2,900 km. Although dubbed a 4.5 generation fighter, the KF-21 is not a stealth aircraft that can hide itself from radar. However, relevant officials in South Korea said that they would continue research for possible conversions with additional features in the future. Speaking of the export market for the KF-21 aircraft, apart from Indonesia, which is an aircraft development partner, the KAI company is also targeting several other countries, especially those already using the FLIT, LCAT-50, FA-50 aircraft. The countries targeted by KAI include neighboring countries, namely the Philippines, Thailand, Iraq, Peru, Qatar, Senegal and Malaysia. The price per unit of the KF-21 is around 65 million United States dollars, cheaper than other 4.5 generation aircraft such as the Rafale and the Eurofighter Typhoon. Thanks for watching my channel and subscribe to update new videos.